Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will delve into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May 2025, our system has categorized Advanced Micro Devices as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.83. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 12.05% since we first suggested purchasing Advanced Micro Devices 15 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.80% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper range of a very broad and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $118.09 will initially indicate a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 25.18% and positive 10.26%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 39.95%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 62.78% to negative 37.16% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $41.20 and $69.57. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price down 1.2% on Thursday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by 1.2% on the last day, Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, from $112.06 to $110.71. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.84%, with a day low at $110.61 and a day high of $112.64. The price has experienced volatility during this period, with an overall gain of 8.86% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, trading volume fell by 14 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.2 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $187.28, while the lowest price reached $76.48. Currently, the price stands 40.89%, or $76.57, below the 52-week high, and 51.29%, or $116.59, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024. When the price peaked at $227.30. Recent developments regarding Advanced Micro Devices indicate a favorable outlook for both short-term and long-term investors. AMD's valuation remains attractive compared to its primary competitor, NVIDIA, with lower forward price-to-earnings ratios that present substantial upside potential. The company's strategic pivot towards artificial intelligence inference, aided by the acquisition of ZT Systems, positions it well to gain market share and capitalize on AI-related growth, which is projected to significantly enhance its bottom line. Wall Street forecasts average annual earnings growth of over 20% by 2029, demonstrating confidence in AMD's capacity to increase free cash flow and earnings per share. A newly initiated strong buy rating suggests analysts expect a rebound, with price targets set between $175 and $200. Technical analyses hint at a major trend reversal for the stock, suggesting an upward trajectory is likely. AMD's innovative chiplet architecture and advances in AI hardware set it apart from competitors, indicating the company is not merely an underdog in the AI space, but a potential leader in adaptive computing. Although uncertainty remains in the broader market, particularly regarding NVIDIA's dominant position, AMD's prospects, driven by solid fundamentals and strategic growth initiatives, could yield significant investment returns, both in the near future and over the coming years. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is also rated as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a neutral rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term moving average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $114.41. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $98.57. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 5.95%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading session, the volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 35 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 15 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 10 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 135 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $100.36 and $96.84. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may cause the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $100.36. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $96.84 and $83.64. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and given a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.03 between its high and low points, or 1.84%. In the past week, the stock has maintained a daily average volatility of 2.34%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 650 ten-thousandths of a dollar. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $112.46. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before taking a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. Advanced Micro Devices faces its first support level at $100.36. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a bounce back. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 52,500 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 8.639. In total, insiders purchased 737,875 shares and sold 889,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $104.81, indicating a decrease of 5.33%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal following a pivot top that was identified 6 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several positive indicators, yet we do not consider these sufficient to recommend a purchase at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either maintain their positions or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by 610 ten-thousandths and begin trading at 111 32/100ths. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.